Hey, my Kate and Queen, it's your girl Bamba Vanna RN, and today is vlog day. I'm actually gonna be doing like a reset vlog, and so if you're interested in this video, I'm gonna call this like my Sunday reset vlog. So I'm gonna plan for my week. I'm gonna like clean up, wash some clothes, stuff like that. Okay, so if you're interested in this video, remember to like, comment, and subscribe to your post notification bell. Also follow me on all social media. Okay, y'all, I look in a hot mess, but it's okay. See Vano, say hi Vano. And so yeah, let's begin the vlog. So I am actually going to Super Value. I need to get a few items to cook, and then I am going to, I think I need some Starbucks. I need a boost. Your girl need a boost, y'all. I need a boost because Vano is actually a bit sick, and so a lot is happening. Okay, so let's go. Hey y'all, so I guess I can talk to y'all now. I am actually at Starbucks. I need a little boost today because I had a long night, like I was telling y'all earlier. Vano was a bit sick, so I was up basically all night with him. He's running a fever. But anyway, aside from that, I'm at Starbucks and I'm gonna get me, I don't know what I want us yet, but when I get my order or when I am ordering, I will talk back to y'all. Y'all in my video? No, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you.
Hola, God.
Yeah, I have it. Thank you. Home now. So as you saw, I went to Starbucks and then I got this red velvet latte. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys what I got. My bill came up to like about 50 something dollars. Yeah, about 50 something dollars. So let's do a little mini shopping haul. No, I did not go to Solomon's. I went to Super Value here in Nassau, Bahamas. So I got a hand towel. I got salad, some apples, a dish scrubbing sponge, like coconut milk with peas. Then I got some barbecue sauce. I got a bag of rice. I got like a fabric softener and a small tide. I got some chicken wings. I got some wines. That's all that I got from the shop. Now I'm gonna just start cleaning up this kitchen because in here is a mess. Done cleaning my kitchen. I'm now going to prep for our meal. I got these chicken wings from Super Value and I'm just gonna like clean them, cut them. I'm no chef, by the way, so that's what I'm gonna do, and I'm gonna let you guys just watch me prep for our Sunday meal.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You give
some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, oh.
So that is basically my Sunday reset routine. This is what I basically do to set the tone for the rest of the week. Let me know down in the comments what you think of this video and if you would like to see more of these kinds of videos. So I'm actually about to film like a hair routine and like do a makeup routine for my YouTube channel and for my TikTok. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, turn on your post notification bell. And like I said, leave a comment down in the comment section. So until the next video, bye guys.